Hello students, how are you? Today we are going to start the new chapter and the name of the chapter is Stone Soup. Okay, Stone Soup. Now see. Characters, storytellers, soldiers. Ivan, Benny, Leo. Okay. Villagers, 3 men and 3 women. There are how many characters are there? Storyteller, the person who tells the story is called storyteller. Soldiers, there are 3 soldiers. The name of the soldiers is Ivan, Benny and Leo. And villagers, 3 men and 3 women. In the village, 3 men and 3 women are there. Okay. Scene, a village. Now see. Storyteller. Long ago, 3 soldiers were returning home. How many? A long time ago, 3 soldiers were returning home. 3 soldiers were returning home. They were going to home. Okay. They were tired and hungry. So they were happy and when they saw a village. The soldiers were very tired and hungry. After seeing a village, they become happy that now they will get the food and they will do rest in that village. Okay, first soldier, Ivan. Thank God, we have reached a village. We are sure to get food to eat and bed to sleep in. Okay, Ivan is saying that thank God we have reached that village. Now we will get something to eat and bed to sleep in. Okay. Storytellers. But the villagers feared strangers, so they had hidden their food. The storytellers means the person who is saying the story. But the villagers is afraid of the strangers, so they have hidden their food. Okay. They hid carrots under the quilts. Quilts means the carpet, and the bread in the hay. Hay means, have you seen where the wheats are kept? Okay, in that they have hidden the food like carrot under the quilt means carpet and bread in the hay. Okay, second soldier, Leo. Let us knock on the first door. Leo is saying to the Ivan and Benny, then let us knock the first door. Okay. Leo knocked and a woman speak. Leo knocked the door and from that side the woman speak. Okay. First woman. Who is it? Leo. The woman is saying, who is this? Then Leo is saying, kind lady, we are 3 hungry soldiers. Can you share your food with us? Okay, Leo. Okay, he is saying, kind lady, please help us. We are 3 soldiers and we are very hungry. So can you give the food so that we can eat? Woman 1. Share? I have nothing to share. Okay, he is saying, share? I don't want to share my food with anyone. I have nothing to share. I have nothing to share. Ivan. We might be luckier at the next house. Ivan say, okay, let's go to the next house. Might be we get food from that next house. Okay. Ivan knocks and man 1 comes out. Man 1. What do you want? Ivan. The man is saying, what you want? The Ivan saying, kind sir, could you please give us some food? The Ivan is saying, sir, can you give us some food? Man 1. I have nothing to give. We had a poor harvest. Okay. The man is saying, no, I don't have anything. I don't want to give. I have nothing to give because we have poor harvest. Harvest means a collection of food growth in a farm. Okay. See, the man is saying, no, we don't have any food, so I can't give you anything. Storyteller. Whoever they asked had no food to give. Okay. Storyteller is saying, whoever the Soldiers have asked. Everybody has answered they have no food, so they will not give. Ivan, friends, at least give us a big pot, some water, and 3 round stones. We will make stone soup. Okay, Ivan then said to the to the villagers, friends, at least you can give me a big pot. Give us a big pot. So in that big pot, put some water and 3 round stone, so that we will make a stone soup. Okay. Then see what happened next. The storytellers. The villagers gave them this and gathered around to watch. Soon a fire was lit and the pot placed on it. Storyteller is telling that the villagers gave them the things like a big pot, a big stone, and some few stones, and a round and some water. Okay, after giving this, the villagers gathered around to watch how they are making stone soup. Okay, soon a fire was lit and the pot placed on it. Soon they have to see how the fire they have placed here, and then he has to put the big pot and the water inside the pot. Okay, Benny, put some stones in the water. All we need now is salt. Okay, he has put the stones in the water. Now they are saying, the soldiers are saying that now we want some salt. Okay, woman too, I will get salt and some paper too. Okay, the woman too is saying that okay, I will give you salt and some paper too. She brings the salt and paper and gives to the soldiers. Okay, Ivan, putting it in salt and pepper and tasting some, tasty. Then after that they put salt and pepper and tasting. They put the salt and pepper to the stone soup and he tastes and he says, it's tasty, yummy, yummy. Leo, it would be tastier with a few carrots. Okay, Leo is saying, if we would get some carrot, then it will become more tasty. Then Benny continues, and some cabbage. They are talking, if we get some, the soldiers were talking that if we get some carrot and cabbage, the soup will become more tasty. Man 3, okay, I have got some carrot. Okay, the man 3 is saying, okay, I will give you some carrots. Woman 3, and I some cabbage. Let us get it. Okay, the man 3 saying, okay, I will give you some carrot, and woman 3 saying, okay, I will give you some cabbage. And they just go to their home and bring, and they go off and return with the vegetables. Okay, the man 3 and woman 3 go to their house and bring some cabbage and carrot. Okay, and give to the soldier. Leo, put it in the vegetables. A few scraps of meat would make the soup fit for a king. Okay, you say after putting the vegetables into the soup, he say if we got small pieces of meat, then the soup will become more tasty and it will fit for the king also. Woman, meat, I will get some. Okay, the woman 3 say, okay, I have meat, I will bring and I will give you some small pieces of meat. Now see what happened next. Now see what happening. The woman 3 goes off and return with the meat. The woman 3 goes and brings some meat. Ivan, stirring the meat in, the soup will ready in a few minutes. Benny, spread the rub. Okay, after giving the meat into the soup and he just stir, and then this is after few minutes the soup will be ready. Benny said spread the rub, means just put the bedsheet so that we can sit there and we will eat there. Benny spreads a colorful blanket on the ground, and Benny spreads some colorful blanket on the ground. Benny, time to eat. Frog, get some bowl. Okay, now Benny saying Now the soup has become ready. Now if we get some bowl, then we will put the soup into the bowl. The man too say, what the man say? I will bring them. He goes off and return with bowl and spoon. Okay, man too goes to his house and brings some bowl and some spoons. Okay, Ivan, if only we had some bread to go with it. Okay, now Ivan is saying, if we get some bread with this soup, it will become more yummy to eat. Okay, man 3 says, I have some bread, just right for soup. Okay, man 3 is saying, yeah, I have some bread, I will bring it to my home. He goes off and return with a basket of bread, and then he goes to his home and bring a basket of bread to the soldiers. Storyteller, soon everyone happily eating. From now, no one would go hungry. They have learned how to make stone soup. Now the storyteller is saying that soon they become very happy after eating that stone soup, and from now they have decided that if anyone comes to their village, if the person is hungry, they will make the stone soup and they will serve to that person. Nobody will go hungry from this village. Okay, this story has been taken from Russian folk tale. Okay, now see, let's discuss. Take the correct answer. The 3 soldiers were very tired and hungry. Okay, the villagers loved or feared stranger. Feared. Okay, the villagers refused to give food or stones to the soldiers. Food. Okay. Leo said that the soup would be tastier with few onion or carrot. Okay. Villagers learned to make tomato or stone soup. The villagers did not share anything because they had no food or were selfish because they had the food. They don't want to share because they are afraid, and so they were selfish. The soldiers taught the villagers how to make soup or work together is make soup. Okay, now let's discuss the question answer. Answer this question. Why were the soldiers happy to see the villagers? Why? Because they were hungry and tired. Okay. Where had the villagers hidden the carrot and the bread? Why? The villagers had hidden the carrot and the bread in quilt and hay. Why? Because the villagers were feared of the stranger. Okay. What reason did the villagers give not for having anything to make soup with? Because they were poor harvest. Okay. The things we add to a dish while cooking are called ingredients. What ingredients did each soldier get from the villagers? Ivan, carrot, Benny, salt, pepper, cabbage, Leo, meat and bread. I hope you have all learnt the chapter. Thank you.